There's one thing that I absolutely cannot resist, and that is anything Sezane releases in the fall. Hi, I'm Maddie, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a few pieces that I selected from Sezane's fall collection, and we're going to be going through whether I should keep or return them. Okay, first things first, did anyone notice that they recently changed their boxes to be just brown? I know this might be controversial, but I actually am super in favor of this because a lot of my packages have been stolen from Sezane in the past. Those boxes were just way too recognizable. All right, our first piece that I'm trying is the Denim Max shirt. This is in the light denim. I think they have a more mid-tone blue denim as well. I have just been looking for a great 100% cotton denim shirt, and I've tried the Max shirt before in the past, and one thing that I really like about it is that it has snap buttons. I think these are really nice and make it really easy to put on. I like how they look a little bit more elevated than just your everyday classic button. They make this shirt just feel a little nicer than some of the competitors' options. One thing you should know about the Max shirt is that it is very, very oversized. So this one I sized down in. I typically wear a 34 in Sezane. I got a 32 in the Max shirt, and it is still pretty big. So keep that in mind when selecting this style, depending on how you want it to fit. Maybe you want it to be super oversized, then I would go for your true size. If you want it to be a little bit more fitted, I would go down a size, and it's still gonna be a little oversized in that case. Now, I mainly picked out this shirt because I've been wanting to do a Canadian tuxedo outfit. I have a light wash pair of jeans that I thought that this shirt was gonna look really good with. However, this is really hard to do with different brands, having a different top and a different jean. I feel like the wash of my jeans is just a little bit too dusty beige to go with this bright blue. I thought that this shirt was gonna be a bit of a dustier wash. I think dusty makes sense from the way it looked online, but as we all know, Sezane filters their images quite a bit. So with a filter, it was the perfect color. In person, this is a bright true blue that I don't know if it's going to work for me. Overall, it's a really nice shirt, but for my purposes, I think this might be a return. Next, I selected the Adele sweater. I was very excited for this sweater. I really love all of the beautiful details. The navy one sold out right away, and so I grabbed the cream. And while I really like that this sweater is predominantly natural fibers, I believe it is mainly cotton and merino wool. There might be a little bit of polyamide in there. I feel like the quality doesn't live up to my expectations. This is a problem that I've noticed a lot within the past year or so with Sezane's knitwear. I've really just kind of fallen out of love with it, and so when I do buy a piece from them, I usually pick the natural fiber pieces, expecting that they will be really nice. But this sweater has a bunch of little pulls though, which is kind of interesting to me, that it's like this already before I've even worn it. It almost looks like pilling, but it actually is more so the fiber of the knit looks like it isn't tight enough in some spots. So this is a quality control issue for me, and I didn't really love the fit as much as I was expecting either. So unfortunately, this will also be a return. And I do just want to say, Sezane, I am kind of disappointed in your knitwear recently, so you gotta step it up. So far, I've had two major disappointments in my Sezane order, which is not what I was expecting. I was expecting to love both of those pieces. But of course, it's always the thing that you throw in last minute that you're not expecting to like that becomes your favorite thing. So this is the piece that I threw in last minute, and I actually really love it. I love the scallop detailing along the neckline and the back hem here. Super pretty. It's incredibly soft. Like the last sweater, this is a cotton merino wool blend. I do believe there is a little bit of polyamide. Yes, it's 43% merino wool, 39% cotton, and 16% polyamide. I don't love that because if you've been a Sezane shopper for as long as I have, you probably remember when the tops like this were just merino wool and cotton blends. But it is really soft, and I do love the fit, so I'm gonna let it pass in this case. case. I didn't really show it off because the tag was in the way, but it does have a bit of a sweetheart neckline. So this is just really flattering, and I see myself wearing this a bit as a going out evening top in the winter. It'll keep me warm and it'll be cute. Okay, I saved the best for last. It has been a while since I have tried a pair of shoes from Sezane. I haven't had the best experience with their shoes in the past, mainly just feeling like the quality did not match the price that they were charging for them. But I'm finally trying the Paula Babies, and these are really comfortable. And I thought that I was gonna try them and end up returning them, but I don't know. They might have to stay. I picked out the gorgeous red patent leather, and I've really just been looking for a comfortable but cute, stylish shoe that I can wear, mainly to the office, and these kind of tick all my requirements. While it is entirely possible for me to change shoes once I get to the office and wear sneakers as I'm commuting, I do really prefer, just for ease of carrying things, to just wear one pair of shoes and have that be my shoes. So having a shoe that I can commute in is very important to me. Something that I also really like about these that is different from other shoes that I've tried from Sezane in the past is that they added a rubber sole at this portion. Their shoes have a leather bottom typically, and leather bottoms are nice, but they are very delicate. So they've added kind of like a rubber portion on top of the leather, it looks like. I'm not a shoe expert, but it looks like they've added a bit of a protective section here that makes them more comfortable and a little bit more durable, I think, than some of their other styles. These are very fun to style, and they go with a lot of the things I already wear, so I think that these are a no-brainer keep for me. That is it today. That was a little quick haul. I've kind of already revealed what I think that I'm going to keep and return, but let me know what your favorites are and if you've tried any of these styles that I showed. And I hope that you're having an amazing fall. It's my favorite season of the year. I love styling outfits during the fall. I will see you in my next video. Bye!